Right, Lana, you bought an A7,
Yep.
come B31.
Yeah.
What are you going to use this for?
We're going to go beach racing with this, so there's a bit to do. At the moment it's set up to do 6-day trial, so we've got extra cables, quick release things, wing nuts, quick release tyre there, wheel. So we need to get some of the weight off that, lots of parts off, some other parts on, and see what happens. It's a bit of a project, we've got 3 months to do it.
So this is the first time you've done any competition?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah, it'll be fun.
You reckon?
Yeah.
And where are you?
Fun, isn't it?
Where are you going to run at?
Bridlington at the Race the Waves, the first one, and then see how that goes. Some other sprints maybe later in the year.
Good. Right, I've invited Ian. Let's see what he's got to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just rehearsing a musical. Got a message from Tony. Sand racing in Bridlington on the sand, quarter mile on a classic bike. I'm in.
Right, Lauren, you've had 3 hours.
Yeah.
What you got done?
Got a lot done actually this morning.
Right, run us through it.
So, if you want to look over here, we've got the front end we've taken off, taken the mud guards off, taken the fork thing off, put some gaiters on, we've just got spacers in, got a number, just mocking that. We've got a speedo on at the moment, not sure whether to take that off or not. Change the handlebars, need to get some grips. Taking the double seat off, we've just got this on at the moment to mock it up. Probably going to put something shallow on. Taking the rear mudguard off, lights off the front as well. Chain guards off. We've got a different silencer on here, which is not very silent at all. And that's probably all we've done actually.
Front tyre?
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, Tony kindly changed front tyre, and we've got this knobblier version on here. And taking the electrics out. So we've just got the magneto on there still. Batteries off. I think the battery's off. It wasn't me that did that bit. Battery's off. So we've got, that's about where we're at the moment. And we're thinking about mudguards. We've got a few bits to try and see whether we can make something out of them. Seat, like I said, we were going to put also, we haven't got an air filter on here, so we're thinking of making something, just like a little sock or something that goes over the end, because I'm being stubborn and don't want to change the oil tank, because I like the oil tank. Yeah, so it's all good.
Want to see if it runs?
Yeah, let's see if it runs. You doing the honours?
Oh, no, you are.
Oh,
I've done the oil.
Alright.
You do the petrol.
Petrol's useful. Tank's not good use at the moment. I think you've used it all up. No? Oh no, there's some. Yeah, I've got some off. So we go. Oh, come on.
Try it. Little bit of Now you broke it.
Yeah, I've broken it.
But it runs.
It runs. We're happy with that.
Cool. Turn it all off. So get some bits and next weekend.